Now let's talk about where you live, okay? What do you like most about your hometown?
Exactly love about my hometown, hometowns, everything. First of all, the people are really peace lover and their behavior quite convenient. Apart from that, it is a great place of natural beauty and I love living here.
Well, is your hometown a popular place for tourists to visit? Why and why not?
I must reckon it as the one of the greatest tourist attraction because it is on the bank of Halda, and apart from that, Chittagong University, which is one of the most popular and beautiful university of Bangladesh, are also located here. It has attractive hill track area.
Well, has your hometown changed much in recent years? Why and why not?
Yeah, I can see a number of changes in my hometown. First of all, the communication system has been improved dramatically, as well as people are being educated, and illiteracy problem, which is available, but nowadays it has been lessened. So overall, I can say it has been changed a lot.
Well, let's talk about writing. What different types of writing do you do? For example, letters, emails, reports, or essays?
To be frank, I love to write both of them, but nowadays I indulge myself in writing essay. As a student of IELTS, I have to write a lot freehand essay.
Well, do you prefer writing with a pen or using a computer, and why?
I love both actually. For being an avid writer, I definitely prefer writing in pen and pencil in paper. Apart from that, nowadays I have to type a lot for the educational purpose. For the modern world, I have to write on laptop.
Well, do you write more or less than you did few years ago, and why?
To compare from the last 2 years, I definitely said I'm writing a lot more than previous. Because of being a student of IELTS, I have to get a good mark in my writing. So to improve my writing skill, I'm writing a lot.
Well, do you like writing stories or poems, and why?
I love writing stories, and in my lifetime I can't remember anything that I have write any poem. I love to recite poem, as well as sometimes I love to watch Shakespeare poem in my spare time.
Let's talk about music. How often do you listen to music, and why?
I do not select any specific time to listen music. When I get overwhelmed or feel boredom, to remove my monotonous of mind, I listen to music. And sometimes it helps me to remove my boredom, as well as regain my energy, mental energy.
Well, have you always liked the same kind of music, and why?
No, I have never liked the same kind of music. I love to listen to different kind of music, and I intend to begin with great variation. My favorite singer is Mr. 𝗏𝗏𝗏, and I love to listen to his music.
Well, is there any musical instrument you would like to learn to play? Why and why not?
For being busy with my studies, now I can't confirm that I will learn any musical instrument. But if I have a chance after my exam, I'll definitely try to learn guitar as well as cello.